Hello YouTube, this is Dr. DaretoBeCreative, and I am here with just a little small project share. I've been working on some scrapbook layouts and some stuff that I do when I make crops. So I don't have process video, but this is some pages I made when I was at crop. So these some of the things I used was Martha Stewart alphabet punches. I used this Doris die. Forgot the name of it, but it's happy birthday, thank you, and hello on it. This, of course, I got them Tuesday morning. This Momenta alphabet, 1.5 inch alphabets. Came from Tuesday morning. And this was Cutter Bee, Tuesday morning alphabet as well. So they're the only dies that I used. I use this paper pad, Comic Heroes. I use these two K & Company Marines in the Navy stickers. I've had these for, says 2016, finally used them. I had 2 packs of paper. One of them I got in 2000, like 2 years ago, I think, and then I got a double pack, another pack this year because I wanted to make this album. And the papers are nice. They're single-sided, but some of them kind of hard to match with. But anyway, and then I used 2 templates because I said I tried to lay out some limits, the scrapbook crop, and I don't know, I spend so much time talking, hanging out with my girls. It's easy to use a template. At least I feel like I accomplished something. But this is one of my old, I think Tuesday morning, Lord have mercy, creative memories when they first came out with their templates, these page planners back in, this is 2010. So this must have been when I got it. This has 4 templates in it, and it came with a book and the little writing pencil to trace the pictures out. So these are the 4 templates that it come with. And of course, you can alter it and you can flip them so many different ways because each one, you know, you can rotate it 4 ways and then flip it over and rotate them again 4 ways. So you can get totally a lot of different looks, and then of course you can mix it up and match up so many different ways. So I use this one right here. And then I got some, recently I bought 4 other templates, which the video, my whole video should already be up for this one from what I got from Creative Memories, but if not, this is one of the templates right here, and it's called Sunburst, and you can see how you can use it, and you just trace the template and you can cut it out. So this is like you cut out all those pieces, some of the pieces, and I did my own version a little different than that, but you can make it so many different ways by rotating, like I said, rotating it around so the picture could be in different places, you know, and it's depending on what you want to show. So I had a promise to my grandson that I was going to do him a superhero comic book kind of thing since he likes costumes. So what I did was I made a couple layouts, and again, just as simple as, excuse me, this first one is, he likes a Halo. He's never played the game, but he liked the costume. He saw his uncle, my son, with the video game before, and so he just liked the costume, and he wanted it for his 7th birthday, which was last year. So he got it, and this one has little muscles in it and all that kind of stuff. So I just made a couple layouts with it. So this one just says courage, and this is just me writing about when he got it, and he actually got sick that night, and the stickers up here, and it says Halo. So like I say, he's never played the game, but he doesn't care. He knows it's you know, soldier. He was going through the soldier phase. So these are dimensional stickers, and I just inked everything with some green ink, and I used that template to lay it out. Again, this was that template right there, and so that's what I did right there. Very simple but quick and effective. It's just hard sometimes trying to find accessories when the paper pad is more like for Spider-Man, Batman kind of a thing, and they didn't come with an accessory pack, but so I just had to find some of those stickers. And then this was the other one, which was this layout right here, and I chose to put it down this way. So I only did half of the Sunburst, and I only did it in just 2 different colors. And of course in Halo, the guy is the Master Chief. I did know that. I looked that up, and I remember my grandson telling me that. So I just put his name up there, and I just put Brave Soldier, and I put some more of the stickers up there, and I made these dog tags myself. I just cut them out and rounded the corners. So that was just 2 quick little boy layouts, and again, didn't have any images on my Cricut for Halo, and I didn't see any, and I want to get it done real quick. So he says he likes them. So that's the beginning of my album, so hopefully I will get that done soon. At least I'm trying to work on that in most of my crops when I go, so hopefully before the year's over I have this album done, if not sooner. So anyway, thanks for liking, watching, and subscribing, and I dare you to be creative. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye.